Namaste. My name is C.H. Ganpat Reddy. I am working in G. Narayanamma Institute of Technology and Science for Women, Sheikhpet, as a professor in EC department last 20 years. Earlier I worked in CBIT for 6 years, MVSR Engineering College for 1 year, and 2 years conventional industry, 1 year software in Delhi. Conventional industry is MTR, Machine Tools Aids and Reconditioning, Balanagar. So I have nearly 28 years of teaching experience, plus 2 years of industry and 1 year software. BTech from Guntur, RVR and JC College, 85-89, first batch student of that college. ME from Usman University, OU campus, Hyderabad. Native of Yadadri district. So this is briefly about myself. Then recently, few months back, I started a YouTube channel, namely C.H. Ganpat Reddy, named with my name only. So why I started YouTube channel is, since last 25 years, in addition to my regular duty in the college, I used to teach different academies for GATE coaching and IES coaching. I worked in Vani Academy, T Academy, ACE Academy, Raghava Academy, and so on. I taught either networks or control system, signals and system. I taught network theory more than 500 times. Control system I taught more than 100 times. Signals and system around 45 times. Now because of this pandemic, offline coaching not there now, online also full-fledged not going on. So I thought of sharing my knowledge through a platform, YouTube channel. Whatever experience I gained during last 25 years, that knowledge should not become waste. In my absence, society should gain this knowledge. I thought of writing a book earlier, but nowadays most of the students not going to library, not referring any books, just depending on the teacher notes, here and there few lecture videos. So I also thought of sharing this knowledge through YouTube channel. That is the reason why I started YouTube channel. Who can get benefit through this YouTube channel? All students and faculty of EEE and ECE students. All EEE and ECE students. And sometimes general videos, general public also it will be useful. What I am keeping in that YouTube channel is already network theory videos uploaded. Network theory videos around 85. So that will take care of BTech syllabus, complete network theory, even BE basic electrical engineering. Different universities are calling different names, basic circuit theory, network theory, electric analysis, network analysis, and circuit theory, basic circuit theory. Okay, so it will take care of all the university syllabus. Not only that, those who are planning for BTech, GATE and IES, who has got backlog subject also can go through these videos. Teachers especially who want to teach this subject can go through all the videos and excellently they can gain the knowledge and teach this subject well. And in future I am going to upload signals and system, DSP and general videos. General videos already few of them done. In future depending on the market situation and demand, where that particular information at that particular time, if situation demand, I will do it and upload. So they comes under general videos. Then I am requesting all these students, please watch them in a order. Randomly don't watch them. I put them in a order. No textbook will cover the syllabus in my order. No teacher will cover in that order. With keeping by teaching this subject so many number of times, how subject should be taught in which order. So according to that order only I numbered, and all of you go through those videos in that order only. If you skip any one of the video, next video you will not understand. Every next video is linked with the previous lecture. So it is a linked concept, it is not independent. So every video in a sequence, if you watch, you will learn the subject, you will understand the subject, you know the depth of the subject. Any questions in future anywhere they ask, I am 100% confident you can answer if you go through all my videos. And please write the notes. It is not an entertainment channel, it is not a news channel, it is a technical subject, technical information I am giving. Compulsorily you have to maintain a notes. Whatever I write it on the board, you have to write, and whatever I speak, some important points also you need to write in the notes. So notes are important. Use playlist. For example, linear control system, unit wise topics are separated. Somebody wants to prepare for mid 1, 2.5 units. So those videos only you can watch. Entire subject also placed in one place. So categorized, it is convenient for you. You just go through the playlist depending upon your choice, one by one you can watch. So all of you please subscribe my channel. Subscription is free, and if you subscribe you will get benefit. All subscribed channels list will be available at one place. In future and whenever you want, you can get back that channel easily, otherwise you may forget over a period. And if you like the channel, liked videos, liked list also will be available at one place. It is convenient for you, for your sake I am telling you, please like and subscribe. Any videos, if you are impressed, please share to your friends also. Any good thing you should share too. Sharing is a benefiting. I am giving knowledge freely. When you think that it is good, why don't you help to others just by sharing? And don't forget to comment if you have any doubts. Some students are asking doubts in WhatsApp. Individually I have to reply. You ask your doubts in there itself. If I reply, other students also will get benefit. And please activate the bell icon whenever any modification is done in YouTube channel. So you will get in the form of notifications. So for your purpose you activate, and please bless me by subscribing and liking. And I am giving this information freely. Don't think that if you subscribe I will get 1000 rupees, something like that. No. YouTube channel will pay only if in a 1 year 4000 hours should be there. That's not easy task. Then I will get eligibility for monetization. After monetization, what I am going to get is peanuts, nothing, I don't know also. If I get anything, I will share in front of you. I am not doing this for money. I am doing this for the society service. Now financial conditions of many families are worst. So you can't pay extra money for institutions or coaching centers. So whatever knowledge I have, I am sharing freely. So watch them. And please watch all the videos completely. Don't bitwise here and there. You have to watch completely, then only you will understand. Even movie, some part if you see, you may not understand the whole story of the movie. But even if you don't understand that movie, no problem. Nobody will ask questions in that. But it's a technology. So completely you have to watch. Not one time. If you don't understand, watch again and again. And select some quality. Some videos I uploaded in quality of HD 720. Some few videos in full HD 1080. So depending on video quality, that you select and watch, so that clarity will be there. And also select appropriate speed. If you are watching second time, you select the speed of 1.25, 1.5 and so on. If you think some important concept not clear, play with the speed of 0.75. So select an appropriate quality and speed and watch all the videos completely. Okay, so all of you subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch all the videos. If there are any doubts, please comment, and thank you very much.